So if we want to get people walking and cycling to our sites, and this
Yeah.
is if you're nearby or if you can take a bus or a train and then just do the last
Yeah.
bit. So we're not talking about going 20 miles. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about easy journeys.
Relatively short journeys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we make it easy to go by bike? So
Yeah.
there's two options. One is you get your own bike, and we've got
Yeah.
the cycle to work scheme,
Yeah.
which means that you can get tax relief, which it can be a huge amount
So you can
off.
get tax relief. If
Yeah.
you buy a bike,
Yeah.
you can get tax relief on it.
Yeah, cycle
Okay.
to work scheme, ask Colin McMillan. The other way is cycle hire. So we've
Okay.
got two cycle hire schemes now in Cardiff. We've got
Okay.
this one, which
Yeah.
you're in front of. So this is the Ovo bike scheme.
Yes.
They were previously called Next Bike, still run by Next Bike. So
Okay.
these are bikes you can hire. There's stations all around Cardiff,
Yeah.
including two different stations up here, stations at the Heath Station, stations all around Cardiff. And about a third, a half of the fleet are manual pedal cycles, and now a lot of the fleet is electric as well.
Right.
And these go into the Vale of Glamorgan too.
Okay.
So you can hire these for a small amount each time you cycle them.
What is it, on an app or?
Yep, so you use an app
Right.
on your phone. It gives you a number. You type the number into the back of the bike.
It
and then
releases
you
the bike
unlock
lock.
the lock there. And
Great.
the other idea, which has only just started in Cardiff,
Yeah.
is cycle hire for Bromptons. So fold-up bikes, and you can now get them. If you've ever been to Cardiff Central Station,
The ones that people can take on and off the train.
not the cheapest of bike, but there's now a Brompton cycle hire. So for
Okay.
£5 a day, if you go to Cardiff Central Station, you can get a bit like Amazon lockers.
Yeah.
You can type in a number and you get one of those to hire. So
Yeah.
the idea here is, how do we combine journeys? So as I say,
Yeah.
it's not about getting people to cycle 20 miles. This is
Yeah.
about, if you live 5 miles away,
Yeah.
either that's a brief cycle, or maybe it's a bus or a train,
Yeah.
and then the last little bit by bike.
And it's the air quality on site, but it's also I mean, you know, parking is a real issue for us, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
And actually, if you can just like come right up here, pop it in, and you're in the hospital, I mean, fantastic.